Here you will find the agenda of lessons that are designed to be teacher guides for teaching this unit. The lesson activities and durations may need to be adjusted based on the specific needs of the class. You can click any one of these links to go to that specific lesson. We'll begin at Lesson 1. An overview of this lesson. In this first lesson, students will take a pre-assessment survey that will serve as a baseline for what they already know about the states. Following the survey, the project will be introduced. Students will then have the opportunity to choose a partner with whom they'd like to work with for the project. Partners will spend the remainder of the period exploring interactive state games with the goal of narrowing down their list of potential research states to only a few. Within the lesson plan, there are specific links, and as I said earlier, KidBlog has everything posted. If we go to the home page here at KidBlog, we can click here. Students can access the 50-state survey. We go back. In this first lesson, they'll be using Mr. Nussbaum's site, which they can access here. Let's go back and take a look at the second lesson. In the second lesson, students will continue their exploration of potential research states. In this lesson, they will focus on exploring the few states on their narrowed list a little bit more in depth. Students will visit another site with many interactive games that are state specific and will spend the period figuring out which state their group would like to spend the next several sessions exploring more in depth. By the end of the hour, teams will share out which state they have selected for the project. And again, some of our resources are listed here. There's a lesson plan with resources, and students can always access information from the KidBlog page. We were already in there, but our state interactive game for this would be right here. Let's take a look now at Lesson 3. In this lesson, we will be activating students' prior knowledge about the state that they've chosen to research, and we'll help them set up an organizational tool for how they will collect research once they begin. Students who will have had experience using Google Docs will create a KWL chart with their partners. Students will spend the period filling out the K and W sections of their chart using color coding to indicate whose response is whose. Students will post links to their KWL chart under their own KidBlog account. Here is information about more specific lesson information. And again, if you click under the KidBlog account, you will see information about how to create a Google KWL chart in Google Docs. You can click here to watch a tutorial, and the teacher will model this lesson for students as well.